Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be doing for you a product review which we are going to be doing every other Wednesday. So every fortnight you'll get a video from us with a product review. These are products what you see on the shelf, what you see like cupcakes and different cakes and stuff like that. We're going to be buying them and then we're going to be doing a review on what they're like, how easy they are to use and what they taste like. We're going to be doing marks out of 10. So I hope you all enjoy these videos. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please do so. We will be putting the shopping list up, but the shopping list will look a bit different. It's going to have what the product is, the price of how much it cost us to buy. I don't know how much it's going to cost where you might source it if you want to try it, but we're going to give you the price of how much everything is and additional ingredients what we're going to be using with it. So I hope you all enjoy this one. Now I'm going to show you the product what we're doing for today. Right everybody, so the product what we're going to be using today is Dr. Oetker Red Velvet Cake Mix. This says it serves 12 and it says you just add eggs, oil and icing in. So that's the product, and the icing what they're said to use, I don't know why they haven't got their own. So we're going to be using Betty Crocker's rich cream cheese style icing. So that's the icing what they recommend to go with this product. And in addition to that, you're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to need some oil. You're going to need some water. You're going to need your mixing bowl and the spoon and the spatula, and you're also going to be needing a 9-inch tin. The recipe says 2 9-inch tins, but I'm going to just put it all in there. It might take a little bit longer to bake, but I'm going to put all mine in one and then cut it in half, which I wouldn't normally do, but it's a lot easier for me to do, so I'll do it that way. So we're going to start the process and show you how it comes out. Right, so we've opened up our cake mix and we're going to just pour it into the bowl and show you what it looks like. It looks like chocolate powder. So we're going to get all that out. So that's what it looks like. In the bowl. Right. And we're going to get our spatula and going to make a well in, and to that we're going to add our oil. And we're going to add our water to that. Get the spoon out. And we're going to be using our electric mixer this time just to keep the lightness in it. So you just want this on slow. So we got it whisked that much. And we're going to get our 3 eggs in. What it says on the packet. So I hope you all like this one. These are going to be child-friendly videos as well, because they're just shop brought things what you just add a few ingredients to, so you can do these along with the kids. We're just doing these as a review to give you our ratings on what we think of them. So these videos, like I was saying, will be coming out every other Wednesday. We used to launch videos on Wednesday before, but you know, we have to go around and source the ingredients what we want to be using for our other videos. So we're just going to scrape down the sides. It's looking like our watery mixture at the moment. So just making sure it's all incorporated. So I'm just going to give that a little bit more beating in. Right, so what I notice while we're mixing that in is that it's thickening up a bit. And you can see it's still leaving streaks in it like a marble effect, which I don't know if that's not mixed in properly or what. But we mixed it in as much as we could. It's got the nice red velvet colour to it. Right, so I think we've got it to where it should be. So we're just going to put this in the tin. And then you want your oven on fan oven. If you've got a fan oven, it's going to be 170, which will be a gas mark 3 to 4 on gas. So I'm going to put this in our tin. So I don't know how much this is going to rise or anything like that. So just making sure we get all of it out. And we're going to put it in our oven. Then once it comes out, we're going to get back to you on it. So we'll see you when it comes out the oven, and we'll show you what it looks like. Right everybody, so we've had our cake in the oven now for 1 hour and 15 minutes, which would have been, if you put them in 2 tins, which would have been about the equivalent time to what they said on the packet. So we're going to take it out now. You can see what it looks like. We're just going to test it with our skewer. You can see the skewer comes out very clean. So that's telling you that it's done. So we're going to take that out now. I'm going to bring in the camera so you can see what it looks like when it comes out the oven. Just turn of our oven. So that's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's cracked on the top. So maybe I should have covered it, but then if I covered it, it would have been flatter. And then I need to cut it off, so I'm going to let that cool down. And then we're going to be putting our Betty Crocker rich cream cheese style icing on the middle and on the top. So we're just gonna have to let this cool down, completely cool down, before you can do anything with it. So once it's cooled down, we'll get back to you and show you the rest of the process, what it looks like. Right everybody, we've got our cake cooled down to where we want it, so just going to take it out of the tin. So the texture of it is not looking too bad. And turn that back up the other way. I don't know if it could have been a bit thicker. It's just to get the well, I should have used the 2 tins, but I done it the other way, so I'm going to cut it about there. Just going to push my knife in and slowly bring it around. Right, so I've got it there. I'm just going to get another plate. Sorry if I'm in the video. I'll take off the top. You can see it's got a really nice bake to it, so for a shop brought it's not too bad. These crumbs up. Right, so we're going to be putting our cream cheese on now. And as you can see, this is nice and soft, so it should be easy to spread. You can see that the mix is very crumbly, but hopefully when it settles down it should be okay. Bring that up to the edges. Right, so we've got that to where we want it. Going to put our top back on. And bring around the edges of the plate. So we've got that filling. I'm just going to do the top. So like I was saying, this is one what you can do with your children. So these Wednesday videos, we're going to try and make them more towards doing something with your children in like over the holidays or whenever you feel like doing something with them. I think this should have been a bit more in this. Then you could have come down the sides. Should have been a lot better if they gave you enough to come down the sides. So you might just about have enough to do the sides. So there we have it for you. Our dot up. Some cake mix on there. That's what our recipe is. Red velvet cake by Dr. Oetker. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but you see a lot of their products in the store, so this is one of their products. So if you look in the shopping list, you'll see the price that we paid for it, the ingredients, what you need to add to it, and then you're going to see when we cut it, we're going to put our ratings, what we think it's rated at. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please leave a comment. If there's a product that you've seen and you want us to test it out, then let us know. We'll see if we can get it down at our end. And thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you not the coming Wednesday, but the Wednesday after that. So these videos will be out every fortnight. Thanks for watching.